So picked up a dining room table and 6 upholstered chairs for really cheap. They need a little bit of work. They have those skirts on them. They're a little outdated and ugly. So I'll talk about how to remove them to make a, improve it a little bit and update, something you can get for cheap. Got this for this whole set for under $100 on Craigslist. So a little bit of work, it'll look a lot better. There's a couple options you can do from looking around. Is you can either cut a little bit of this away, kind of tuck this up, glue gun it, staple gun it to the top, and you'll have a little seam here. It might look kind of good. Messing around with this pair, you want to look where the staples are, and this one staples right in with the piping. So what I did is simply, this is pretty much all you're going to need, some sort of screwdriver, pry bar, wire cutters to pull the staples out, X-Acto knife, and I pretty much actually did this with just my hands, but set this down, and you just want to be gentle and with it. So I just kind of pull some of the staples on this part right here. Get it separated a little bit. You want to apply pressure on this fabric so you don't pull that all the way off. And then I'm just going to cut through the piping. Pull it away a little bit more. Cut the piping, get a little more room. And you're just going to want to work around a little bit bigger staples here in the inside. So pull up the center here. Yeah, you can see the staples at the corners are a little bigger. So the ones along the chair on this particular, you can just kind of rip out, but see, just apply pressure so you don't rip the fabric that's going to stay. So the video cut off in the middle of me removing it, but I think you get the idea. Main things to consider is just look for how the staples are attached, if they're part of this main fabric piece underneath, or if the skirts are put on over it, then you can just take the whole skirt off, or like I said, you can just staple them out underneath or glue them. There's gonna be this extra stuff you just gotta clean up. Some of the staples will be left in there. You just wanna get some pliers and wiggle them back and forth to get those out, like that. And you can see there's a pair with the old skirts. Now we're showing some leg. Fortunately, the legs aren't the best looking, but we're going to stain them a little darker to match the table. And all of this for under $100. It's a little do-it-yourself project that might make your furniture look a little better. Hope this helps.